guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. We have my big Evo, these things are huge, Evo 10 inside my garage. I brought it back in. The last video that we did with this car, we removed a lot of parts on it. We removed the front lip, we removed the rear gurneys or rear mud flaps or rear skirt extensions, whatever you want to call them. And then we also removed the hood vents and the hood scoop. So today I got them custom painted. I'm really excited to show you guys. We're gonna be installing those back on the front of the Evo 10 hood. Crazy story though, let me show you guys this. Over here on the Evo, you can know it's all wet. I actually just brought it in the garage from outside, but check this out. It hailed today. This isn't snow, it's like little slushies. I thought that was crazy. I was gonna wipe it all off, but that's crazy. So look at this little hail. It hailed today. So I thought I'd show you guys that. I'm gonna wipe all this clean and get a nice clean surface, and then I'm gonna grab the new custom hood vents right here, and this is where that STM intake is. Getting lots of fresh air today. We're gonna do the new hood vents here, and then a new custom hood scoop. I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like before and after. So here's gonna be the before. Let's dry up the car real quick. All right, now that we have the semi-dry surface, don't look over there, by the way. that's a video coming soon over here. Semi-dryer surface. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go and show you guys. So let's go ahead and head over, and I'll show you guys the new pieces. So this is what it looks like before, and then these are the custom ones that I did. So check this out. So I ended up getting these painted, the Phantom Black, but I had them remove the metallic out of it, so it's just like a factory black Mitsubishi. So these were faded. I don't know if you guys remember. They were just like a plastic color that were faded. They didn't look very good. They didn't look sharp. It's not like they're like, you know, a different color of plastic, like this color of plastic. It almost was kind of like that color of plastic. It just wasn't shiny. And so what I did is I had these painted gloss black, and I think that they look absolutely amazing. I didn't go with carbon fiber ones. I think that this looks way more aesthetic. In addition, I think a lot of modern cars, a lot of their vents are in gloss black, and I think I did a really good job with choosing this. My guy Clayton painted both of these, so I love that. Got all the mounting hardware here, and then here is the hood scoop. So this is absolutely beautiful. Again, I didn't go with the carbon fiber. I got this painted the same color, which I think is really gonna make the black and white, or black and red look amazing on this car. So I cannot wait to see, to install these. So these are gonna be really easy. The first things first, we need to pop open the hood. So let's go ahead and pop open. And I'm loving this gloss black right here. That looks so good with the new Dore, Dore cards. Amazing, looks so good. So we're gonna come up here. Again, another modification, one hand, the hood struts. The best modification that you could probably do on your Evo is get hood struts, absolutely. I think they're $80 or something like that. I don't remember where I got mine. I did a video on how to install these, super easy, absolutely my favorite part. If I see someone that has an Evo build, and it's like a really expensive turbo build, I always go and say, you know, go buy the hood struts. You're gonna be opening up the hood opening up the hood back and forth. Why not make your life easier and get some hood struts? Plus, they look really good. So now that we have this open, we're gonna go ahead and grab the vents first. We'll do the vents, and then we'll do the, since they are OEM, of course, they just slide in here. This one had a plastic clip that was broken, and then this one also had a, I don't know what they're called, like a stud, I guess. A nut stud that hooks in the back of it. I'm missing this one here, and I'm also missing the other one right here on these ones. So I will be doing just the 4 10mm here. So I'm gonna actually go ahead and grab all 4 of those, or 8 of them in total, but 4 on each one. So let me go grab those. We'll tighten those. Okay, so you can see I have all the nuts on here. They're holding all 4 on each side, so 4 and 4. We put those on, close the hood. Yeah, that looks so good. Oh my gosh. That is so good. They are kind of dusty from paint, so I do need to wash them or wipe them real quick. I don't want to wash them, they're brand new, but they look so much more aggressive. That makes the car look so much cleaner. It looks like a brand new car. I like that it's gloss black. It looks darker. I think it also brings some more contour right here to the hood, to the Evo's hood. And I think as soon as I get the as soon as I get that black hood scoop in there, it's gonna look really good. I did have it wrapped black before. I think they were originally red from factory, and I think these are like a Dore plastic from factory. So now that I got the gloss, that looks so dang beautiful. Oh my gosh. That was a good choice. So that looks really good. Let's pop the hood back open again and then grab the hood scoop, set that in, and do the 10 millimeters on the hood. Okay, so for this one, it has 5. So 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. So there's 3 on the back where that one's actually functional. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's actually functional. Works right into the turbo. So I think that's awesome that does that. We are done. So we've done all the bolts. Honestly, we're really good to go. So we're finished. So we're just gonna go ahead and close the hood, and oh my gosh, does that look good. So my goal with this car is to make it kind of look like OEM plus, like from factory how it should have came, and that looks so insanely clean. Oh my Lord, that looks good. That is awesome. Right there is perfect. That honestly is what I'm trying to make my Evo look like, is that OEM Perfect Plus. And I think I did a good job with this one. That actually looks really, really good. Dang, that is so clean. So those are some of the parts that have been painted, and wow, they look really, really good. So the last thing I'm gonna do is take one of my microfibers. Of course, swing by MITCHDORE.com, swing by, grab one of these microfibers. I'm gonna go ahead and take this and kind of just wipe off. There's a little bit of dust from paint, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe that off and get a nice clean shine. This light is bright. So I just finished, very easy, nice install. I think those look really, really clean. It's the small details on the Evo that makes the biggest details. I know that when I go do a photo shoot with this and I see the hood, it's gonna look so much more aggressive. I love that. I think that was a perfect thing. Just as the roof should have came black from factory, like over there with the wrap, I think that looks so, so good. So yeah, that's what I did. The next video we're probably gonna do is probably the rear spats, the rear gurneys, and then followed I will do that new front lip, which you guys can kind of see over there. It's gonna look absolutely amazing. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, come back for more Evo content, come back for more MR2 content, Lotus content, and maybe another CELICA, maybe another MR2. I'm not sure what I'm looking for at the next car. But make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.